If I didn't have read and write, it would be tremendously stressful. I'd be sitting there till the exam's done completely and I've only done like 5 sentences and I'm still struggling.
From the total number of learners at Oldham College, this year we have 665 learners on our roll for exam access arrangements. We need to ensure that they're not disadvantaged in any way and that they don't experience any barrier that excludes them. So JCQ, the Joint Council for Qualifications, is the governing body for all exams in the UK. Read and Write fits in, it's an accepted method of providing a reader or a scribe or both to a learner in exams.
Read and Write allows our learners to really have ownership over their learning journey. It's used within classroom as a normal way of working, and then it allows the learners to really reach their potential in the exams, give them the ownership and empowerment they don't feel necessarily they would get if they had a person with them.
I use Read and Write to tint the screen during the exam so it's less powerful on my eyes. And I also use the cerning feature to have my answers read back to me, just so I know I've written it correctly.
Pretty much when having a person sit there and help me read the paper, it has been sometimes slow because you have to go off their speed.
It also has a program where if you speak, it'll write the words onto the page. That's a very useful feature because sometimes when writing I get stumped and I can't think of anything more, but when it comes to talking I can talk on for a long while.
We have well over 1,000 SEND learners here at the college. That's high needs and that's learners with additional needs who need that extra help, and the fact that we can reduce getting extra human readers and human scribes to support them, and the fact that they can just use a piece of technology as quick as a click of a button is just so amazing and so rewarding.
From my experience, Read and Write is one of the most positive things that we've adopted in the college, especially as a digital resource. I see a lot of learners day to day using it and it really benefits them.
It's great that students can use what they use in lessons and feel so comfortable working with in the exams themselves, and I think that's been shown with some of the results that we've had in the GCSE English language paper.
I'm happy that our learners have access to Read and Write for the simple reason that it meets their individual support needs, and as a college that's what our aim is to do across the board for every single learner.
It's just been such a game changer for so many students. You have to see it to believe it, and it's just such a positive thing, and I just recommend it to anyone.